So, Juan, what are we doing today?
Stressing. that's a lot of work.
Full-time job, baby.
It has a little hose clamp here. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this on. So right now we're having an issue where the car, where we took it, they can't align it because the wheels are 15-inch. They're a little too small. So that right there is a bit of a headache. So right now we're a little stressed because of that. That's one issue. Two is tomorrow we're filming the car and the car's not ready. The mirrors aren't even on the fucking car.
Jesus.
So right now I am stressed. Right now we're on our way to Mantis to see if they can book us in for an alignment. Like, it's one of those things that the car will be featured with Mantis plate covers, so at least that'll look good. And so I don't know what we can do, but we can figure something out. And tomorrow, fucking, my car's gonna look like shit because it's gonna be a McLaren that I'm hopping into next. And I'm thinking about it like, what the fuck am I doing? Alright guys, so right now we're actually at Mantis. We're leaving Mantis Autosport in Oakville. They've always been very good. Unfortunately, this is so last minute that we need the alignment that they can't do it. They can't squeeze us in. They have a ton of clients and, you know, they are, in my opinion, probably the best Porsche shop in the greater Toronto area. But yeah, so unfortunately they can't do it. Lockwood can't do it. And I wouldn't really want to trust anyone else to do it. So we're just going to string align it, where we basically, here's a diagram of string. And then here's car. And then we measure. Oh, there's my piece of shit. You can see it. There you go, you can see it a little bit. Here, let me show you the setup. So basically this was our painting booth, but now I gotta paint over there so that way I don't get my car or that car painted. Here we have our very state-of-the-art paint oven. It's a space heater. So this is the panel we're gonna be working. This is the front bumper, the back bumper is right there. But we're gonna be doing this, giving this a little sanding, a little McLovin. Doesn't need to be perfect, but it just needs to be presentable. So anyways, right now we're waiting for shit to dry. We're gonna do a second coat, then we're gonna get some food. Fuck, it's stressful right now. I just spoke to one of my buddies, which I'm not gonna say his name because he likes to be very private. But right now he's, what am I saying? He's gonna be on the documentary. The fuck am I saying? It's not that private. But he's right now gonna get filmed. There's so much shit we gotta take care of. So right now we're just gonna take the break. We're gonna come back, paint, take another break and eat. Then we're gonna go ahead and at that point I think we're gonna come back and paint.
Paint some more.
Paint some more. Then we're gonna pack up everything and drive to Oakville. Let's go ahead and check this out. This smells really like paint here. How does that look? That actually looks pretty decent.
What are we doing, Andy?
We're doing an alignment, and then we're gonna have to paint the pieces of garbage over there.
Wait, we're painting the Versa?
My Versa work.
Well, anyways, come. Welcome to MTV Cribs.
So yeah, we painted the parts. Well, Juan painted the parts. Obviously, they look like doo-doo because Juan did it.
Oh yeah, because you helped so fucking much.
Yeah, I helped extremely. Actually, looks pretty good. But we just have to do one more coat on this, sand it a little bit, clear coat it, go in the car. We'll be good. Hopefully. I think we'll probably be done in like an hour or two.
It'll be ready next week. Right here we're applying a bit of tire shine. Because these rubber bits, first of all, they get expensive if you try replacing them. Second of all, they're notorious for drying out, and because they have a bit of paint on them, once they're all oiled up, all the paint basically doesn't stick to it anymore. Now, we just gotta let this bitch dry.
What are you doing, Andy?
Sunny down the mirror. Take a look at this.
Jesus! Fuck! What's the progress report, boss?
It's coming along. The back is almost complete, with one bolt missing on the back, and the lights need to be hooked up, and that the plate needs to be put on, and then the back is ready. The key to staying awake is the spiciest fucking chicken you can get.
Fresh like the first day of school. Gas pack, we just rolled us some fuel. Popping bottles, got Moscato in the zoo. She wanna fuck, but I'm just trying to keep it cool. Fresh like the first day of school. Gas pack, we just rolled us some fuel. Popping bottles, got Moscato in the zoo. She wanna fuck, but I'm just trying to keep it cool. Chanel number 5 in perfume. Real thick thighs, baby, I can make some room. Ride it like a motorbike and make it go zoom. Hit it from the back, make it clap, go boom. Riding in the Wraith with the stars and the moon. Hot girl summer, we ain't even up in June. Got it going up like a filled up balloon. Like a preview to a movie, yeah, she coming soon. Put it in your mouth cause I wanna come to. When I give you bad shots, where you finna run to? Put it on my face cause I wanna tell you. I just took a nigga, bitch, he shoulda never burned you. You don't bring sand to the beach, take a seat. I don't want your bitch, but the